Look, dressing better is not this complex Rubik's Cube that you have to solve every morning. Matter of fact, I would say to dress better, you gotta do a little bit less. Let me show you. Number one, strip down the excess. A lot of times, too many guys overcomplicate things thinking that, man, I need to buy this, that, and the other, and I need to be able to put on at least 6 different pieces to look good. No, bro. Strip it down. Strip everything down. Keep it basics. Shoes, pants, shirt. Literally, 3 pieces every morning. If you only wear those 3 pieces and wear them right, that'll be more than enough for you to look stylish. You do not need to make it more complex. I promise you that. Matter of fact, I'm so confident, I actually want you to, number 2, go to your clothes and get rid of some. Actually, get rid of a lot. I know, to dress better, I want you to have less. I promise you it's gonna help you. See, most of you, when you go to your closet, it's full of crap. It's full of clutter that you do not use and you know doesn't make you feel good. I want you to go to your closet right now and only single out the items that when you put them on, you actually feel good and you feel confident. I promise you, that'll be 5 to 10% of your wardrobe. The other 90%, absolute waste because it's not helping your confidence because you don't like how it looks on you. I want you to sell it all. Sell it on Poshmark, eBay, I don't care. I promise you, you're probably gonna make an extra 100 to 300 bucks. Grab that 300 bucks and buy more of the pieces that make you feel good. That's gonna make you stylish. For example, number 3, start bulking up on accessories. Whatever you take away from your wardrobe that you think, oh my God, I'm being left without anything, you can make back tenfold with the right accessories. Boys, a lot of times the right accessories will change and fit. I'm wearing a simple white tee. I throw on our Toms from Jade Black instantly. Instantly, you look more sophisticated. It looks like you tried to put in more effort. And I mean, bro, are you kidding me right now? Look at that Italian acetate. Look at that thick frame. We don't cut corners. Italian handmade acetate. Some of the best artisans in the world designed this stuff, and these right here, these are our Toms, probably one of my favorite frames. These things are sick in our Prism collection, and this is what this accessory allows you to do. Not only can you dress up any sort of fit, now you can wear this 24/7, especially frames like this, because this is actually functional. It protects your eyes from digital devices that you work on all day, while also making you look good. What other accessory does that? Matter of fact, boys, our blue light collection is probably our hardest hitting collection, one of our best selling products, because it's that one accessory you can wear 24/7, indoors and out, nighttime or daytime, that makes you look good. And these Toms and our new geometrical aviators, bro, probably the nicest blue lights you're gonna find in the market. So I'm gonna do you a solid. Today only, 24 hours. Yo, flash, look, I'm telling you, this will not last. Shoot, I only think we have 100 Toms left. I don't even know if we even have a lot of these left because the gold models always fly fast. So I'm gonna be honest with you, whatever's left, link down below, 15% off. Yo, these are already crazy affordable. They're already affordable. I'm gonna take 15% off, 24 hours only, and if you live in the US, we do free shippings and free returns, which means if I were you, I'd pick up both pairs. Bro, this is a steal that it's not gonna last. Number 4, I want you to show more skin. Again, your mentality should be less, right? Subtract, especially in the summer, bro. Yo, this is our time to shine, man. Shoot, girls have been thirst trapping us way too long, bro. It's our time to shine. Yo, I want the quads out. I want the buns. Not like that. Bro, that's mad sus. I want you to wear the right pants that make your buns look good, bro. I promise you, girls are looking back there. You might want to, you need to be wearing the right stuff. And most of the stuff exposes skin. It's the quads. It's the forearms. It's the biceps. Yo, if you can, start getting some of that tank top action. It's the neck collar. It's the chest. More skin equals more style. And number 5, I want you to pipe it down on the fragrance. Look, fragrances are powerful. It's a great tool. It's an amazing conversation starter, and it will get you compliments. The problem is that too many of you see that it's a great thing, so you think, yo, if it's a great thing with one spray, it's gonna be a great thing if I put this whole bottle on top of me. No, that doesn't work that way. There are diminishing returns with your fragrance, which means every extra spray you add, you start diminishing your returns to the point that it can even start regressing and you just become annoying. You become a headache to everybody. Keep your fragrance projection close, because what you want is that when things are getting sexual, the blood is pumping, the fragrance starts pulsating out, and that's when they're gonna start being gravitated more and more to you because they already have that sexual connection with you. Bro, make sure you use that thing strategically. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our 15% off sale, 24 hours only for Jay Black. If you want to, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.